You get what you get, and you make do with what you get. Man, my hair looking a little crazy right now, but like I said, I'm making do with what I got. And I got these hair genetics, and I got what I got. You don't deserve any more than what you got, and you don't deserve any less than what you got. You don't deserve anything. You get what you get. And you can either sit there and look at what someone else got or what someone didn't get and go, man, I deserve what they have. They deserve better. They deserve something else. No. What do you get from that? What do they get from that type of thinking? Nothing. No. You make do with what you got, because at the end of the day, that's what gets you what you deserve. That is what gets you your due. You make do with what you got to make the do what you need to do. Little rhyme for you. Not every moment is guaranteed. Nothing is guaranteed in this life. And you make do every day, every minute, every hour with what you got to fight for what you believe in. To fight for the life you want to see for yourself, the people you care about, the rest of the world, the others, the animals in this world, the fish, the bacteria, the amoebas, whatever. Does a mosquito deserve to die just because it's a mosquito? Does a brain-eating amoeba not deserve a little food? It is what it is. And you make do with what you got. That mosquito ain't going, man, I wish I was a human. Man, I wish I had some real hands. And that mosquito ain't going, man, I wish I was a human. Whatever. I wish I had a big body to swipe away mosquitoes like myself. No. That mosquito using its little stinger to come up and take a little blood. They might give you a little malaria. Might give you a little... Worst comes to worst, they give you anything at all. And that's what you got. Unfortunately, and unfortunately, we have the will, the power, the strength, the energy, the desire to make do with what we got. 'Cause one day you're not going to be able to. It's the beauty and horror of life. Appreciate it every day. Every moment, every hour, every second, every video. Love you.